What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's currently 4:06 in the morning, so I'm gonna try and knock out a video. I'm kind of bored. I'm in the garage. Got the heater buddy on. So I actually have this BN Sport I've been wanting to install for a while. Today I think I'm only gonna install the front bumper and the side skirts. The rear bumper has to wait because I'm gonna be doing over fenders on the rear. But today I'm thinking about focusing on the front end. I have new front fenders I'm going to be installing, and of course the front bumper. But the only problem is my fenders are up there. What's up, buddy? Anyway, my fenders are up there and the car's parked here and the ladder comes down. And I don't want to back the car out because it is super late or early in the morning. I don't want to wake anyone up. And it's also snowing outside, so what I'm going to do is try to open that up, get the fenders without moving the car, and hopefully I don't fall in the hood. I'm actually kind of surprised that worked out because I thought it through my head and then I was like, maybe I'm going to mess up, but it worked out perfectly. So don't do that at home. Do it the right way. I don't want to be liable if someone got hurt. But yeah, so here are the fenders. Oh my God. Here are the fenders. I believe they, oh my God, it's even cracked right there. Anyway, I got these on eBay. They are the vented and they are, I think, like plus 30 millimeters, so they're a little bit wider. They should be able to tuck these wheels nicely. Nice. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is start with unscrewing these two bumper brackets, it looks like. That, or yeah, just those bumper brackets, and then I might have to unscrew all these for the fenders, or maybe I could take the bumper and the fenders off at the same time. I don't know, we'll see. I might have to pop open these headlights actually. Just got the front bolts out. Now I'm assuming the bumper is held on up here somewhere and maybe down here. So I have to go behind the fender and try to remove it because this is all loose already, but it's not budging up here. So I had to stop recording because that was actually really hard to remove, but I thought I could get the front bumper off and the fender together, but it didn't really work out. So what I had to do was unbolt here, 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 and there was a bracket holding the bumper here, and it was just really hard. And somehow the bumper is still attached somehow, so I might have to go under the car to take it off. Man, I wish I had more room, but got the front bumper off, got that other fender off, got this fender off. Now it's time for the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and mock up the new fenders here. Should be pretty easy. Just take it And then I gotta remember where those holes were, because these don't come with holes in them. And it's gotta line everything up. That's if they fit okay. So what's up guys? It's actually been a couple days, so just wanted to get back on here and show you guys the whole front end so far. Driveway's looking a little packed, but got it all installed. So the fenders fit okay. I mean, there's like a gap here, and this doesn't line up with all this, but I couldn't really expect much from eBay fenders. The ends over here are kind of short. They're supposed to line up with the headlights, but it doesn't bother me too much. If I could probably adjust the bumper to line up better. Same with this side. Fenders came with a little chip already. The bumper on the other hand, this is a KBD bumper, and it fits pretty good. It lines up pretty good up front. My only problem is it's kind of saggy right here. But this whole kit is just zip tied together for now, so I think I have to use the OEM brackets, headlight brackets, to hold this part of the bumper up. Other than that, it looks really good. Here's the side skirts. This is the KBD side skirts. They fit really good besides right here. I don't know why there's a gap there. It's like that on both sides. Again, it's just zip tied on for now until I figure out if I want to paint or wrap the car. I also have one question. If you guys know what lights are supposed to go in these BN Sport bumpers, I'm assuming they're JDM lights, but my stock lights don't fit here, and my stock turn signals don't fit here. So if you guys know what lights go there, drop a comment below. So I am pretty happy with the kit. I just kind of wish the fenders fit a little better. The BN Sport kit fit pretty good. And I'm surprised the wheels I had laying around actually fit pretty good. Like if you look from over here. That fitment's pretty on point. I might have to do a little bit of trimming in this inner fender, but it's not even touching, so yeah. Oh, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I did get a new RX-8. Well, not new, but it's new to me. I got it from a friend of mine. Shout out to Brandon. Hooked it up. I've been daily driving this thing every day. Yeah, pretty clean. I'm gonna get coilovers for it here pretty soon. You know, to kind of match the driveway. So I drove up to the local park and ride just for a test drive to make sure nothing's rubbing. And I did notice that when I took sharp left and right turns that the wheels were actually rubbing on that pinch weld right there. on both sides. It was rubbing just so slightly on this outside piece, so I could probably just take a sledgehammer and hammer that in, but other than that, besides needing an alignment, I think it drove pretty good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Kind of a, I don't know if it's going to be a long or short video, but it was in a span of a couple days, so thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. Hit a like, subscribe, and if you guys like my builds, follow me on Instagram. I post more on Instagram than I post on YouTube, so Instagram will be down in the bio. Thank you.